Good morning. I bring you a news which may convey a sense of deja vu. Conflict between religion and law as laid down by the constitution of the country. So conflict between religious law versus constitutional law. I am referring to a Supreme Court hearing which will decide the legality of what we call triple talaq. Talaq, talaq, talaq. And a Muslim lady finds herself in the throes of anguish and pain and has to now lead her life all by herself. Supreme Court rather quickly pointed out that they are not going to touch the subject of uniform civil code, nor am I, because that is not the subject of discussion today. Today we are going to talk about a very valuable position in law, or rather conundrum in law, whereby an Islamic lady can be divorced by the utterance of the word talaq three times consecutively. So talaq, 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 and she finds herself divorced. Is this constitutionally valid in India or not? Now, before we go into the constitutional angle, let me tell you that in Islamic law, the Holy Quran, in chapter 2, surah 231, surah probably means verse in Arabic, so 2:231 clearly lays out the subject of divorce. If you give a cursory reading to this particular mention in the Holy Quran, you will understand that it is from the perspective of protection of women rather than persecution of women. Over a period of time, the way this particular surah or verse from the Holy Quran was interpreted has led us to a day today where a husband can simply say talaq, talaq, talaq and get rid of his wife. Those who are interested in Islamic history, those who are interested in Islamic law, all law students must be. If you read it, you will understand that the talaq, talaq, talaq that is mentioned in succession was never to be mentioned in succession. That there was to be an interim period of 3 months where the woman runs her 3 cycles before the divorce can be confirmed, and there were logical reasons behind this, because Prophet Muhammad wanted to make sure that no woman is left abandoned when she is pregnant, therefore completion of 3 cycles, so on and so forth. There are other terminologies that you can Google if you are interested. One is iddat, one is meher. All of these are connected closely with the subject of divorce. We are not going there today. We are going to a simple problem in law today. So, pro triple talaq constituents say that Article 25 of the Constitution of India, and that shall scroll down now, gives them the right to practice a religion of their choice in its entirety, and they feel that talaq, talaq, talaq is a legacy from that religion which they are entitled to follow. Anti-triple talaq constituents feel that it is violative of the rights of women as enshrined in the Constitution of India, plus Islamic countries, a number of them themselves have discontinued the practice of recognizing triple talaq. Therefore, it is high time India protects all women, including Muslim women. The government of India has very interestingly taken a stand, and here is what it is. Gender equality and the dignity of women are non-negotiable, overreaching constitutional values, and can brook no compromise. So, government clearly favors an end to triple talaq. This program is to simplify Indian laws. As you've understood, it is my sole mission to bring legal elements and simplify them for your understanding. What is going to happen next is something of interest. The Supreme Court has set May 11 as the day for hearing. I think it should be concluded within 1 week of that date, wherein the Supreme Court will hear both the sides of the arguments and pass a very interesting judgment that everybody is looking forward to. Having said that, I'd like you to also understand that divorce, following which if there are maintenance related issues that women are facing, then there is nothing to stop them from seeking maintenance under Code of Criminal Procedure section 125, and that shall scroll down now. So if you're a Muslim lady who's faced with this rather difficult situation in your life, hold on, sit tight, see what the Supreme Court says, and if it's about maintenance, Criminal Procedure Code section 125 shall come to your aid. I'd like to thank you so much for watching this program. This is all about making Indian laws easy to understand, simplifying them, and thereby empowering you to use these provisions and this understanding to make your life more easy, to make you powerful. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.